What's going on, YouTube? It's Monday, June 30th, 4:25 in the morning. We back at work, people. We back doing what we do best, and that's driving. Had a good little weekend. I'm still under the weather a little bit, but we're gonna press on. It's a little bit of a short week this week. We work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I took Monday off. So, 4-day week. So, not too bad. This is definitely the busiest week that we had since this plant been built in Aden. So, like I said, this is a new plant. So, this is the busiest we've been since we've been open. So we in for a jam-packed week. I hope y'all enjoy. I'll pick y'all back up once we about to get loaded. What's up, YouTube? 146, getting loaded. That's me. Taking 10 yards out to Wilmston. Should be a good morning. Go ahead and get the deal done so we get up out of here. If I don't feel good, ready to lay down. And my daughter got a baseball game today, so kind of dreading that too, sitting out in that sun and not feeling good, but hey, all part of it. You gotta take what come with it. I'll pick y'all back up once we load it. All right, YouTube, we all loaded, so about to go out here and wash everything down, get ready to hit the road, and then, we're gonna do the deal. 4:53, so, it's still early. We're gonna get it done. So I'll pick y'all back up once we get the job. Boy, I got some good news here. Anytime you see one of these bad boys at the job right here, you just know the day's gonna be a lot better, man. We got 50 yards going here, and I think 50 more going somewhere else. It may end up being more than 50 over here. Who knows? But we'll have a good old pump job. Not gonna lie. Simple and easy. Only thing bad about this right here, where we at right now, it's secluded from the road. And boy, it's some bad mosquitoes over here. That's the slab they pouring. My co-worker Alan over there. We the first ones that came in this morning. Turbo should be pulling up any moment now. But yeah, man, we out here getting the job done, man. Don't get no easier than this right here. Don't get no easier than this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish washing out. Finish unloading. Right. And I'll hit y'all back when I wash out. Done, just like that. My boy Turbo about to bag on her. Dump his load. Yeah. I'm finna wash this down. Then probably start give me a biscuit. Keep the deal going. So you pick y'all back up to the plant. All right, so we loaded again with 10 yards. Going to another job. I think it's like 12 minutes up the street. Well, I tell you, man, whatever I got, it's really whooping on me, man.
Head west towards South Bay Street, Old North Carolina 11.
Yeah, man, we all washed down. Got everything off, ready to go. So I'll pick y'all back up once I get to the job. All right, I'm back, YouTube. Made it to the job. We got one truck right there pouring out, and another one waiting to pour out. So we're gonna sit tight for a little bit until they get done pouring, and then it'll be my turn. So I'll pick y'all back up if I can show y'all anything. But in the meantime, I'm about to chill, See if I can get myself together a little bit, cause boy, I ain't gonna lie, you two, that boy's under the weather, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Whatever I got, man, is really putting it on me. So I'll pick y'all back up at all. Corner job. I sat here for like 40 minutes before they poured me out. Try to use all my water. I put like 80 gallons in that mug, so I'm really in the top of being sick, so hopefully we can go ahead and pour this out. It's starting to get hot. Ready to go home now at this point. Gotta get her early in the morning, tomorrow morning. So just over the day for real. Let me get over, pour all this out, and then I'll pick her back up after I wash out. Get ready to head back to the plant. So YouTube. So right now we're washing the drum out. That's pretty much it for today. Gotta come in tomorrow at 1. Get on the job by 2, so yeah, it's gonna be one of those mornings tomorrow. I think tomorrow and Wednesday. Do about that early, so. But they pump jobs, we'll get in, knock it out, have some fun. So I'll pick y'all back up later. Good morning, YouTube. It's currently July 1st, 1:15 in the morning on a Tuesday. And YouTube, I'm still under the weather, man. I pretty much slept all day yesterday when I got off. Got off like 10. So my eyes slept all the way till 4. Dropped the video yesterday. Got dressed. Went to my daughter's game. Got back home, ate. Got ready for bed. And I slept all the way till 12:30. And YouTube, I can go back to sleep right now. I ain't lying. But we're gonna push through. We're gonna push through. I just got done on the pre-trip. So I'm about to fill this book out. Trucks are pulling out to get loaded. We got 500 yards a day. 500 a day, 500 tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I hope it don't rain. I'm ready to go ahead and get over with. So we fill the book out, go park the car. I'll pick y'all back up, filling up. And we got help today. So we got about 16 trucks here today. So we're gonna knock this out. No time. Get it done so I can help get back home in my bed. The Lord knows, baby. I'm tell you now. I feel bad. Filling up. Waiting to get loaded. I'm after that truck right there. I'm next to that truck, so I finish filling up. I'll park over there. And I'll pick that back up when we get loaded. All right, YouTube, we loaded. About to go out here, rinse it down, get everything off my truck. See how far away it is. 14 minutes. So 14-minute drive. Not too bad. But we'll go ahead and wash this down and pick that back up at the job site. So I didn't really get a chance to show them pouring. And that's out there pouring right now. I mean, everything happened so fast. We had some technical difficulties with another driver. He had made a mistake and left the water valve on with a water tank. So it dumped the whole 150 gallons of concrete. So it kind of caused me to speed up faster. So the next load out for sure and get some content on it. I'm about to wash out. I'll pick that back up when we get loaded again. We're almost done pouring out. They got quite a few down already. Hopefully it won't take too long, man. I think my truck makes 150 yards. So, I mean, moving pretty fast. Getting a lot done. Like I said, I'm about empty. I'm gonna wash out. The other truck pulling up over there. Truck backing in right there. So we getting it done. I'll pick that back up later on. So YouTube, I think this is the last load of the day for me. They moved the park truck over here to the other side. We're almost done before the day. So they got 500 yards tomorrow. Again, as if it don't rain. Calling for rain. But hopefully it don't rain, so we go ahead and knock it out. But I'm waiting to pull out right now. Like I said, I think this is the last load of the day, so take my sick ass in the house. I'll pick y'all back up with the plant when I find out more. So that's pretty much it for the day. We finished it out. Filling it up right now. About to head home. 8:43. Not bad timing. Came in, got the job done. Go home. I feel it early. Get some rest. I need rest. Like I said, I feel sick as a mug, man. I'm sick as a dog. I am sick as a dog, man. I've been fighting it all day. It's time to lay down and get me some rest, man. So I'll pick y'all back up tomorrow, What's up, YouTube? Man. It's Thursday. I didn't record anything yesterday because we really ain't doing anything yesterday. Well, we didn't do anything at all yesterday. And that 500-yard pour that was scheduled, it got rescheduled to today, supposedly. Then yesterday I got a call around 4 o'clock and it said that it was canceled for the day too. So I came in today at 8 and I think we got 50 yards to do today, so we'll do that and then be off for the rest of the week. I know I sound terrible, guys. Still fighting it. Feel a little better. Hopefully it'll be gone by tomorrow. I hope. But yeah, still fighting it. But yeah, if we take any loads today, I'll definitely pick y'all back up. But if not, you know. We just got loaded. About to wash everything down. So once I wash everything down, I'll pick y'all back up for the job. So he pulled out up there. So when he pull out, we pull up behind him, dump his load. And hopefully we can get up out here and go home. So I'll pick y'all back up when we get ready. All right, YouTube, we started unloading. It grew a little slower. It took me a minute to unload my coworker Manny out. So hopefully they unload me pretty fast. I had fell asleep waiting for them to unload him. So we're gonna see how this gonna go. I'll pick y'all back up after we get unloaded. I'm out. I'm about to head home. Tomorrow, we'll be going to the car show tomorrow. I'll be taking my Audi. Me and my girlfriend will be going there in Lacoma. So we'll be doing that. But as of right now, I'm about to wash out, take it on in the house. It's been an all right work week, besides me being really, really sick. I hope my energy went down too much that you guys could really notice too bad, but next week will be a lot better. We gotta push through, get better, rest up, and we'll be back at it. But like I said, tomorrow I'll pick y'all back up. Tomorrow, 4th of July for the car show. So I'll pick y'all back up there. YouTube. July 4th. Happy 4th of July to everybody. And we're heading to the car show in Lacoma. So I'll pick y'all back up when we get there.
This is the blues I'm playing. Yes, it's a final thing. When the night is cold and low.
YouTube, we made it out here. We made it out here, YouTube. They out here. Got a burnout pit out here. A couple nice trucks out here. I ain't seen too many cars out here. A couple nice stuff out here so far. They just started at 5, so about an hour in. I picked her up and we found some more stuff out here. Sheesh. Well, Mustang broke. Did about 2 burnouts and that was it.
I'm fucking weak.
Yeah.
I feel like they could have drove that out of here.
Damn. What's up, YouTube? So it's the end of the week. It's the third vlog. Third vlog. So good week. Beyond being sick, but I feel better now. Living with the hardware. So it's been a great week. So remember, stay boosted.